The US dollar seems to finally have spread wings after 1.5 weeks of decline. The American currency was under pressure due to the protests swept across the major US cities, rumors about the Fed's plans to introduce the negative interest rate, as well as an increase in risk appetite amid the gradual lifting of quarantine measures. As a result, the greenback sank to 97.20. However, today it has reversed, trying to resume an upward movement. At the time of preparing the material for this video, the US dollar reached the level of 97.63. Apart from yesterday's positive ADP employment report, the demand for the US dollar was prompted by the conflict between Donald Trump and the Pentagon. The US president intended to deploy federal troops in accordance with the Insurrection Act to quell protests across the United States. However, Defense Secretary Mark Esper shut down his idea of using troops to suppress the street protests. Investors were relieved such a peaceful approach is shot to ease the tensions in the country. If the protests continue to abate, the greenback will correct upwards to the level of 98.04, a high of this week. Meanwhile, the dollar-yen pair is rising. It's likely to advance to 109.50. The pair may well grow to 110.83 amid an optimistic mood in the stock market. Technical analysis experts do not see any signs of a downward movement. The Australian dollar is not willing to give in to the US dollar, however, it failed to break above the resistance level of 0.6950 due to the strengthening of the greenback. On the chart, technical analysis experts have seen the signals of a possible decline if the AUD-USD pair dives below 0.6917. Then it is expected to tumble to 0.6830. The daily chart shows the formation of a double divergence, which indicates even a deeper fall. That's all for now. We wish you profitable deals. See you on our channel with a new video in a couple of hours.